Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check the Twitter account password. And all you have to do is to launch the Twitter application. From here, you're going to tap on your profile, and then you're going to tap on settings and support, and then you're going to tap on settings and privacy. From here, you are going to tap on your account, and then you're going to tap on change your password. From here, if you do tap on the current password, you're going to see an autofill on your keyboard, or you're going to see an autofill just here. And once you tap on it, that will be the password of your Twitter account in the case that you did forget and you're trying to remind yourself. So another option that you can do is to head on over to your Chrome browser. Then while you're here, you're going to tap on the three dots, and then you're going to tap on settings. From here, you're going to tap on Google Password Manager. And then while you're here, you're going to search for Twitter. And once you've searched for it, as you can see on my end here, so once you've searched for Twitter, as you can see, you're going to see both your email and your password. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.